Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be basically writing the tune, basically flashing the ECU right now. I'm gonna put you guys through the steps real quick. Just gotta turn into accessory mode. It should turn on. And then go to power mode. Write ECU. Alright, so go to the motions again, just write ECU. I'm gonna do stage 1. Just gonna check the file, make sure everything's good. Just basically reading the file, make sure everything's fine. I don't like how bad the screen looks. I don't know if it's the exposure on the camera. Oh yeah, now we're gonna see all the warning lights and stuff, the scary part. And then we'll wait. So basically flashing stage 1. And we're gonna do some data logs. So there the process begins. Just gonna have to wait. Alright, so it was quicker than I expected. Just had to turn it off for 30 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and turn it on. That was quick. I thought it was gonna take longer since the boot patch file took way longer, but this was quick. This was like less than 2 minutes. Just waiting the 30 seconds. I'll turn it back on, everything should be fine. There you go. Turn it on now. And now we're gonna have to do data logging now. So I'll be doing a separate video on that one. But that's pretty much it. Good to go. And no check engine light, so it's good. I'm on my way to a detail unit right now. And some of the guys, you guys seen them on the channel before. They have FD. Peter has a ZL1. Tony has a M340I, and then Joel has a RX-7, and then Matt has 2 RX-7s. So yeah, let's try to see if we can get another third gear data log right now. Alright, we're gonna get around with the M340. Hey, Peter said that. I didn't say that shit, bro. You want to do a dig or a roll? Dig. Dig? Oh, fuck, okay. Go.
Are you all-wheel or rear-wheel?
I'm front wheel drive, bro, so you're good. You're good. Roll, roll, roll. I know. I'm spinning, bro, on 18s. You got me on the dig, bro. That shit was sick. Good shit.
On the road, you could get me.
Yeah, I
think
could
on the
get you.
road-
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you're fucking.
I didn't even do launch control, bro. I was like, eh.
It was all spin, dude. Like,
Oh shit!
yeah,
I
fucking
think
spin city right there, dude.
18's
It's only
it's like a car length on the first one.
This one's a lot better though. That one, I was like, fuck, these guys on me. Dude, he's fucking half a car, dude. Holy shit, dude.
Stage 2 is about to be crazy.
Out to maybe after third.
Yeah,
pull.
yeah, I will pull for sure. On third, yeah.
Because you're lighter.
Dude, and I hate my shifts at live.
Yeah, it's like,
It's like, and I press it and it's like, yeah. And then it goes.
You did bad on the dig.